So this is my first time opening up these hives. Not sure how aggressive these bees will be, but I need to see if we need to expand. Okay, yeah, most of them have gone to the bottom. So they've got room up here. I don't see anything significant. Now here's their comb. And I can see some drone cells already. Not too many though, only a couple. Yeah, I don't want to smoke them too much, but when I got these bees, the guy I got them from, he didn't have a smoker that day, and man, were they aggressive. Honey. I see larvae. So I know we have a queen. Yeah, there's... Make sure the queen's not on here before I move this. Yeah, there's a lot of them that have their heads in honey, drinking it. And that's what they say, is that when you smoke them like that, they immediately go in and start feeding on honey, and it calms them down and masks their pheromones as well. I don't see the queen on here, so I'll try to show this to the camera. There's two queen cells, one here and one here. Uh-oh, I see honey dripping. Well, there's your first beginner's mistake. I'll put that back. But yeah, there's two queen cells that don't look like they've been laid in yet. Put this back where I found it. Wow, this one's heavy, so I assume on this side I see fresh brood. Do not see a queen. Honey on the outside, fresh brood in the middle, if you can see that on camera. And then on this other side, a bunch of honey, fresh brood. Looking for the queen. I see another queen cell on the bottom of this frame. Queen cells are kind of a special cell that the workers lay or make. And what they do is, if the queen's weak, or if they don't have a queen, if they have fresh eggs, they'll move the eggs to the queen cell and feed them nothing but royal jelly. So I need to look into the bottom of this. Ooh. Now, that looks a lot like a capped queen cell. If the camera can pick that up. That weird looking thing right here. Yeah, it's capped, so I need to order some extra equipment tonight so I can make some nook boxes, and I'll make some videos about that too. Like I said, this is my first time using all this new equipment, and first time opening these hives, so production will get better as we go along. Yeah, there's a decent amount of honey in there, but I'm surprised that there's not a little bit more. Let's see what's in the bottom. Boy, those old timers, like Fat B Man, make it look easy. How quick they pop these boxes around. Yeah, that's stuck together. So, we'll carefully set this down over here. I can hear these bees making a lot of noise, but so far I haven't been pinged like I was when I went to pick these up with the guy that I bought them from. Man, he didn't have I guess he had forgotten his smoker. I don't know if he ever, even really used one ever. But he operated quick. And those bees were very angry. There were several times where we had to leave and take off down the road in his truck. And there were like, you know, I don't know, a couple hundred bees in the truck with us. And we're driving down the road real fast trying to get them out of there. And then we'd go back. We'd let them calm down for a little while and go back. Oops. Oh, I see a lot of... Yeah. I see a lot of comb here. These bees seem to be doing real well. Quite a lot of them in here. Oh man, this stuff is glued together. There's a bee right there working on gluing it together. Probably going to irritate him. It's odd to me that they're not drawing out some of this comb on the edges. Oh, there's a bee right here attacking a what looks to be a hive beetle. Yeah, attacking the heck out of it. Oh, I see what they're doing. It looks like they're cordoning off these, I'm sorry, it looks like they're, it almost looks like they're herding, you know, herding like cattle, these little beetles where they want them. And there's nothing on that frame. It's not drawn out at all. Need to check and see if the camera's still recording real quick. Oh geez, 13 minutes. Oh, we're gonna have to edit this one a lot, aren't we?